Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. This video I'll show you how you can color grade in DaVinci Resolve to make your videos look cinematic, professional, and full of life, just like. So you can start by opening your project in DaVinci Resolve and heading into the color page. So that's where all your color grading magic happens. Now before doing anything fancy, make sure your exposure and white balance are correct. In the color wheels panel, you can adjust your lift for shadows, gamma for midtones, and gain for highlights. Try to make your image look evenly lit, not too dark or blown out. Next, let's fix the color temperature. So if your clips look too blue, you can slide the temperature in here toward the yellow, and if it's too orange, you can slide it toward the blue. This, you can adjust it. You can also tweak the tint to fix the green or magenta shift, like this one in here for tint. And once your tones look natural, the clip will already look 10 times better, trust me. Now that your image is balanced, like let's make it pop, you can go to the curves panel, this one, and create a soft S curve. So this will add contrast and depth. Okay, like this for example. Then you can also push the color a little. You can add some teal to these shadows. This one, shadows here. You can also warm up the highlights with a bit of orange. This one. So this will give that classic cinematic teal and orange look that super popular in films. You can also use the vignette tool to create a power window to slightly darken the edges. So this will help focus the viewer's attention. So once you're happy with the color grade, it's time to export. You can go to the deliver page in here and choose your settings and hit on add to render queue and choose a folder, and after that you can just render the video. So that's how you can color grade in DaVinci Resolve the easy way. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also click thanks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.